The control unit in computer systems does very many tasks. Today I've designed the first stage of my 4-bit computer control unit. This segment will be the first stage. It will have different stages. We have the decoding, we have the executing. So this is the first stage. So the first stage basically is a circuit which enables when the program counter accesses the system clock. Because when the program counter accesses the system clock, it's when it's going to move to the next address, and once it moves to the next address, it allows that information which is stored in that address to be loaded in the instruction register. So the control unit does that because we want also to give the control unit time to execute what you are putting in the instruction register. So for us to do that, we put a timer to kind of give us a delay in order for us to execute what your instruction needs to be done. Yeah, so that's basically what's happening here. This the clock which is driving this small mini clock in the control unit basically contains an NE555 which is running it at a much faster speed or frequency as compared to the system clock, because we need those just a small segment of time to delay or give us time as the control unit to execute what you want in the instruction. So the design is very simple. The decade counter counts from 0 up to number 10, but in between number 7 and number 10, these two, 8 and 9, is what we are using to allow the program counter to access the system clock. So this is how we do it. Number 7 triggers a bistable NE555. So once it has been triggered, it stays on up to number 10. Number 10 resets the bistable. So it means the only time the bistable will be on is between 8 and 9 count. So 8 and 9 count, that high period is what we are using to allow this program counter to access the system clock. Later in the next video, I'm going to explain one of the major disadvantages of this method, because there's a very big setback in this method. So yeah, so next video I'm going to explain the setback or the disadvantage of this method. Yeah.